So today, project pickup truck. We've got a noisy alternator bearing. I'm just changing the alternator. It was only 130 quid from Euro car parts, so not worth changing the pulley on the end of it. Maybe hear it a little bit, it's gone a bit quiet, but I'll try and get it to make a bit more noise. Okay, don't know how well you can hear me. Alternator rattle. I'll try and get me stethoscope onto the phone, so you might be able to hear it a bit better. Everything else is lovely and quiet. There we go, down there. Battery is not light off. All I can make out, I need to remove this, I need to disconnect the battery because we're working on the electrics. I need to remove the intercooler pipe and the airbox, maybe some bits and pieces of wiring. Take the belt off, take the alternator off, put a new one back on. Sounds quite simple. What could possibly go wrong? Work in progress. We've got a 14mm stepped ring on there that I can slacken the belt tension off and take the belt off. We've removed the plug from the mass airflow meter and took the pipe back there out the way. We've disconnected the intercooler pipe and just swung that out the way here. I'm just going to put a glove over that to save that getting dirt in it. So we're getting through. I'm going to unplug the wiring off the alternator, remove the airbox, which appears to be held in by a bolt there. Just go and get my socket set, get that bolt out. Hopefully the airbox will come out. Been a bit naughty, still not disconnected the battery, so I need to disconnect the battery, remove the earth lead down here, and then I've got a couple of bolts holding the alternator in, and it should be out. Pulley's as wobbly as hell. Oh, right, so there's the alternator off, with this pipe twisted and the airbox removed. Came out of there quite easily. The alternator feels okay, it's just the old drive on the end of it. How the hell it didn't fly off, I don't know. Making a right racket it was, but that would be the racket. But it spins quite smooth. The alternator's probably alright, but I'm just going to change the whole sodding lot. So what are we into it now? About an hour to get it this far. Just one thing you might be interested in, that bolt down there that holds the airbox in, that's right under the corner, and I got a bit of claret on the back of my hand, trying to get my hand in there to slacken the bolt off. It's really tight in there. It just pops on and off. It's only the middle of the airbox and the back of the airbox. You need to actually remove the bolts to take the airbox off, so that might save you a little bit of pain. I've got to go and pick the other one up. Earth strap had to come off as well. So I'm going to go and pick the other one up and fit it all together. Okay then. The alternator fitted. The air box back on. That sounds a whole lot better. There we go, all back together. So the alternator is just down there, and use a screwdriver or something with your ear against the screwdriver to listen for what bearing noise, or one of them mechanic stethoscopes like I've got, and you'll be fine tracking down noises. So if you like this sort of stuff, don't forget, give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.